Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel you'll be getting beautiful, amazing hairstyles, ideas and inspiration. And please, if you're new to this channel, you're welcome to the family. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. And please don't forget to put on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I upload the hairstyle trending video that you will love. To my channel subscribers, I want to say thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you amazing dreadlock hairstyles, ideas and inspiration. The reason why I love dreadlocks, they're so beautiful and amazing. I don't know about you, please let me know your thoughts on the comment section below. Because this hairstyle is so unique, you're beautiful. You can carry this hairstyle as long as you want. This hairstyle is so unique and amazing. Please let me leave you to enjoy this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.